Hey everybody, it's Nazara with nazarasfinecrafts, and today we're doing an unboxing from Herrschners. Herrschners is a company in Wisconsin. I've ordered from them a few times. I probably have a card come up here that goes to a few of the other Herrschner unboxings that I've done before. But I ordered it on the 3rd. It came on the 11th, so today is the 12th. So it came yesterday, and that's a really good turnaround time for ordering yarn. I wanted to try a few things that are yarns that I haven't tried before. I'm trying thicker yarns and things like that for the rugs that I've been getting a lot of requests on. And thank you so much for the participation in the what animal rug would you like to see next. I'm realizing that I haven't shown a lot of the ones that I've already done that you guys are requesting, so I will be doing a video showing that kind of stuff. But I ordered yarns that I think I can use for rugs, just thicker yarns. Herrschners did not sponsor, nor am I affiliated with them in any way, but they are having a huge sale right now, so I will link their website in the description below so that you guys can check them out. So if you've never tried them before, you can also get 10% off if you sign up for their emails. So if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I do giveaways. The June giveaway is going on right now. I will also link that in the description below so you can get signed up for that. It will be announced on July 1st who the winner of that one is. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Scoot up here. So first, we have, it's called Redheartcolorscapes. So this is Redheartcolorscapes in the color Munich. And this is a 4 medium weight. It's 4.5 millimeter crochet hook or 5 millimeter knitting needles. It is machine washable and dryable. It is 100% acrylic and it is made in India. It is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams and 187 yards or 171 meters. So it's a nice mixture of browns and tans, and it almost goes into, like in this area right here, into a grayish brown. So really pretty, and it's soft. It is soft. It's not as thick as I would have wanted it to be, but it is a thick 4-weight and it'll work nicely for something. So I got 6 skeins of those. And then I got 3, 6, 9 skeins of these. And these are Redheartcollage. So this one's in the colorway Circus. And it's 5 ounces or 141 grams, 55 yards or 50 meters. It's made in Turkey. Like I said, it's in the colorway Circus. So you can see right here it's got reds and purples, and it goes into like a grayish black almost. But if you open it up here, you see greens, blues, and yellows in there. So that's going to be really pretty. But it is a jumbo 7. It is 10 millimeter crochet hook or 10 millimeter knitting needles. This one is hand washable and dry flat only because it is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. So this one's soft. It's not scratchy. It's really fluffy. I could do a chunky sweater in this, but I don't think I'd like it against my skin personally. I'm kind of picky about what kind of materials I wear on my skin. So I got 9 of those. And then I got 3, 6, 9 of these. So this is the Redheartcollage as well. And so it's the same specs on that one, but this is in the color Frozen. So it goes from like a dark blue to a light blue to like a bright blue, like aqua. So, and these are kind of just a twisted, you can see that, it's just a twisted stitch, or twisted chain. So, these will be fun to make something. I was thinking about like, maybe the llama or a tiger. A tiger doesn't have to be orange and black, or doesn't have to be white and black stripes. I was thinking maybe one of these would be really cool to do, like a blue tiger, or I don't know yet. We'll see what I come up with. But the blue might be cute for like a hippopotamus. Kind of a, what is it, marbled color. So, and then we have 10 of these. So there's 5 in that bag and 5 in the other. So this is Nobhillgardenglory. This is in the colorway, let's see. There is no colorway. It was either like India or Harmony or something like that. I don't know where my invoice went. It disappeared on me. I have no idea. So this is 80% wool and 20% acrylic. It is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 82 yards or 75 meters. It is a super bulky 6. It is hand wash and dry flat only. It's made in China. And then they says 6.5 millimeter crochet hook or 6.5 millimeter knitting needle. So this one is fun. It reminds me of rainbow sherbet. So yeah, this one's fun. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. So, but yeah. So that is all I got in this box. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. I will be doing kind of a, like I said, a overview on what I have in my inventory for my craft shows, so that you guys can see what I have done and what kind of things I take to my craft shows. So, and don't forget to sign up for the June giveaway. So we'll see you later. Bye.